In this video, we are going to plant pepper plants in a simple but unusual way that helps feed them for almost the whole growing season. This method is easy to follow and uses things you already have in your garden. It works by slowly giving nutrients to the plants over time, which helps them grow strong and healthy without needing too much extra fertilizer. Let's start the process without wasting time. First, go to the center of your garden bed and dig a big hole. The hole should be about 4 to 6 inches deep. It does not need to be very wide, but make sure it is big enough to hold a good amount of organic material. As you dig, do not throw the soil away. Keep it to the side because you will use it again later. Once your hole is ready, the next step is to fill it with organic material. You can use almost anything natural that you have in your garden. This can include dead plants, dry leaves, grass clippings, rotten vegetables, kitchen scraps, or even fresh green leaves. All of these materials will break down over time and turn into nutrients for your plants. This is what makes this method so useful. Instead of throwing these materials away, you are using them to improve your soil. Now that the hole is filled, it is time to plant your pepper plants. You can also use this method for other seedlings if you like. Plant them around the hole, not directly inside it. The roots of the plants should be close to the organic material, but they should not touch it right away. This is important because the material has not decomposed yet and can be too strong for young roots. As time passes, the organic material will start to break down. This process usually takes about 20 to 30 days, depending on the weather and moisture in the soil. During this time, the material turns into rich compost. Once it is fully broken down, it becomes safe and very helpful for the plant roots. At that stage, the roots can grow into the area and take nutrients directly from it. After placing your plants, take the soil that you saved earlier and use it to cover the hole. Make sure everything is level with the rest of the garden bed. This helps keep the area neat and also protects the organic material underneath. It also prevents pests and keeps moisture in the soil. Next, you can add a thin layer of compost or well-rotted manure on top of the soil. This step is helpful because it adds good microbes to the soil. These microbes help speed up the decomposition process and improve soil health. They also help plants absorb nutrients more easily. Once everything is set, water the plants well. Watering is very important because it helps start the decomposition process and settles the soil around the roots. Make sure the soil stays moist but not too wet. Overwatering can cause problems, so keep a balance. As your plants grow, they will slowly start to benefit from the nutrients released by the decomposing material. This means you do not need to feed them as often. The plants will get a steady supply of food right from the soil. This leads to better growth, stronger plants, and healthier peppers. This method is also very good for improving soil structure. The organic material helps make the soil softer and easier for roots to grow. It also helps the soil hold water better, which is useful in hot weather. Over time, your garden bed becomes richer and more fertile. Another great thing about this method is that it reduces waste. Instead of throwing away plant scraps and kitchen waste, you're using them in a smart way. It is simple, natural, and very effective. With just a little effort at the beginning, you can create a system that feeds your plants for weeks. This makes gardening easier and more enjoyable, especially if you want healthy plants without using too many chemicals or store-bought fertilizers.